Hi, let us understand how to read HTML checkbox input element. This is very similar to how we read the checkbox using the servlet. I will be submitting the checkbox and I will use get parameter values method of request object and I will be getting a collection of string. To do the demo, let me go ahead and create a sample HTML file. Let me name the HTML file as getParam value demo.html. I will be providing a sample form which will get submitted to a JSP and I will be having an input element of type checkbox which will have same name for all the checkboxes. That means this will be grouped together and it will be submitted as a collection into the JSP. Now I will go ahead and create this specific JSP. Let me create the JSP file, name it as checkbox result.jsp. And within the JSP, I will have the implicit object request and I can use the method getParameter values and pass the name of the parameter that I wanted to read. Hobbies is a checkbox, so I will be getting a collection of string, and if it is not equal to null, I can go ahead and iterate and print the result using the implicit object out. Let me change the title and execute this specific HTML. I do have the HTML with checkboxes. I am selecting reading, writing and cooking and I am submitting it. It should get submitted to the JSP and I will be in a position to get the value and it is getting printed reading, writing and cooking. So this is a good example on how to read multiple values using the getParameter values whenever the input element is getting submitted of type checkboxes. Let me go ahead and add the files as a part of the GitHub repository. Within the staging, we do have these 4 files. Let me stage them. Let me provide commit message, commit and push. The change will get pushed into the GitHub repository. So in a quick summary, we have seen how to use the input elements like text boxes as well as checkboxes.